10 amazing health benefits of eating avocados. Avocados are often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. Packed with essential nutrients, healthy fats, and powerful antioxidants, they offer numerous health benefits. Whether you enjoy them in salads, smoothies, or guacamole, adding avocados to your diet can support your overall well-being. Here are 10 incredible benefits of eating avocados and why they deserve a place in your daily meals. Number 1. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats. One of the primary reasons avocados are so beneficial is their high content of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These healthy fats help reduce bad cholesterol levels, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL, promoting heart health. Monounsaturated fats are also known to reduce inflammation, lowering the risk of chronic diseases like arthritis and cardiovascular issues. Number 2. Supports heart health. Avocados contribute to a healthy heart by maintaining optimal cholesterol levels, reducing blood pressure, and preventing inflammation. They contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of strokes and heart attacks. In fact, avocados have more potassium than bananas, making them an excellent choice for cardiovascular health. Number 3. Aids in weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, avocados can actually help with weight management. Their high fiber and healthy fat content keep you feeling full longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Studies have shown that people who eat avocados regularly tend to have a lower body weight and healthier BMI than those who don't. The combination of fiber and healthy fats also supports metabolism and fat-burning processes. Number 4. Boosts brain function. Your brain thrives on healthy fats, and avocados provide the ideal nourishment. The monounsaturated fats in avocados support cognitive function and memory by improving blood flow to the brain. Additionally, they contain vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects brain cells from oxidative stress and may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Number 5. Excellent source of fiber. Avocados are packed with fiber, which is essential for digestive health. A single avocado provides about 10 grams of fiber, making it one of the best sources among fruits. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support a healthy gut microbiome. It also aids in stabilizing blood sugar levels, making avocados an excellent choice for those managing diabetes. Number 6. Improves skin and hair health. If you want glowing skin and strong hair, avocados should be your go-to food. They are rich in vitamin E, vitamin C, and antioxidants, which help combat free radical damage and keep your skin youthful. The natural oils in avocados also help maintain skin elasticity and hydration, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and dryness. Plus, applying avocado masks can nourish your hair, making it shinier and stronger. Number 7. Supports eye health. Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that support eye health by protecting against age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. These antioxidants help filter harmful blue light and reduce oxidative stress on the eyes. Eating avocados regularly can help maintain clear vision and reduce eye strain, especially in today's digital world. Number 8. Enhances nutrient absorption. One of the unique benefits of avocados is their ability to enhance nutrient absorption from other foods. The healthy fats in avocados improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, D, E, and K. This means that adding avocado to salads or vegetable dishes can increase the bioavailability of nutrients, ensuring you get the most out of your meals. Number 9. Reduces inflammation and strengthens immunity. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Avocados contain anti-inflammatory compounds such as oleic acid, vitamin E, and polyphenols, which help reduce inflammation and boost the immune system. Additionally, the glutathione in avocados acts as a powerful antioxidant, enhancing the body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses. Number 10. Supports a healthy pregnancy. For expecting mothers, avocados are an excellent food choice. They are rich in folate, vitamin B9, which is crucial for fetal brain development and reducing the risk of birth defects. Avocados also provide essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin K, and fiber, which support overall maternal health during pregnancy. The healthy fats in avocados also contribute to the development of the baby's nervous system and brain. To conclude, avocados are a nutrient powerhouse, offering a wide range of health benefits, from heart health and brain function to weight management and glowing skin. Their versatility makes them easy to incorporate into various dishes, whether in smoothies, salads, sandwiches, or guacamole. With their rich nutrient profile and delicious taste, there's every reason to make avocados a regular part of your diet. Start enjoying the health benefits of avocados today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. We're always creating new content to help you live your healthiest life. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might benefit from learning about the amazing benefits of avocados. Together, we can spread the word about healthy eating. Thanks for watching.